Hello everyone. Today the topic of my presentation is in process and finished product quality control test are capsule dosage form according to IPBP and USP. Coming to the introduction portion, so total quality of product is assured by both the IPQC and FPQC tests. So the total dealing processes represent rigorous QC test to make product completely indefectible before they are delivered into the market. So IPQC tests are carried out at a regular interval before the manufacturing process is completed, but FPQC tests are performed when the manufacturing process is complete in order to check qualitative and quantitative characteristics along with the test procedures and their acceptance limit. So coming to the objectives. So the objective of this study is to give an overview of quality parameters for in-process and finished product quality control tests for pharmaceutical capsule according to pharmacopoeia standard. So we have different type of pharmacopoeia like Indian pharmacopoeia, British pharmacopoeia, United States pharmacopoeia. So all the pharmacopoeia having their own specification, and few tests are mentioned in only few pharmacopoeia. So we have to understand which test is applicable for capsule dosage for as per IPBP and USP. So these are the tests which are applied for the quality control purpose and finished product purpose in capsule dosage form, like appearance, size and shape, unique identification markings, assay, contents of active ingredient, content uniformity test, uniformity of mass, mass variation test, disintegration test, dissolution test, moisture permeation test, stability test. So coming to the appearance test of the capsule, so capsule must be uniform. So size and shape, so we had having 30 capsule size, 20 capsule, and uh, uh, depending on this size of the capsule, we fill the powder and we check whether which type of capsule is applicable for which strength of pharmaceutical dosage form. So coming to the unique identification marking test, that is nothing but the symbols which are located inside or on the front of the capsule, whether capsule is hard gelatin or soft gelatin. So assay test using HPLC and like dissolution test. So these are the specification limit as per IP and BP and USP as well. So this specification is also for hard gelatin capsule as well. So these are the in this table we can see that in table 3 uniformity of mass test, in table 4 uniformity of mass test as per pharmacopoeia standard. So different pharmacopoeia having their own specification limits. So in we have to follow that specification to proceed our in process and finished product quality control test in quality control department. These are the test and there is acceptance criteria uh, for the capsule during the dissolution test. And here is the in table number 8, here is the mention stability test for capsule dosage form, what is the test conditions, and after that what is the observation came. So we have to write each and everything. So these are from my side. Thank you.